Working on a project at the U.S. Merchant Marine Academy where there is a 172 feet flagpole where the eagle fell off, was damaged by the wind. We're going to reinstall the eagle and paint the flagpole at the same time. We have a 125 foot lift to make things easier to get halfway there, but the rest is done by ropes. We have a custom gin pole that has to be installed on top of the flagpole so that we can hoist this eagle, which is a 5 foot wingspan, and the whole thing ended up being about 6 feet, actually 7 feet tall with the new truck and everything. We have our custom brackets for the gin pole and a bunch of painting supplies to do all the work up top. Already has 1 coat of paint, but the top still has to be painted after the eagle's on. Alrighty, going up. Yep. Coming up with some rigging solutions so that we can untie it remotely, because the eagle's out of reach. So we have some running loops with the pull down ropes. Everything's tied in below the truck so we can loosen it up. 2 sets, 1 under each wing. Yeah, that looks about good. And then we'll just clip in on top of that and hoist it up. Alright, so we got a little show going on at the Marine Academy. We've installed all these brackets up here for a gin pole. See if we can slide it in. Get it for now secured in this bracket. Hopefully I can push it through. Oh, if we only had 3 hands, it would be so much easier. Come on. Just like this, we can get out of it. Nope. Try things off and try it a different way. Alright. Are able to finally slide it through. Took some shenanigans, but we're in. All right, let's do. You want to count it on 3? All right. Okay, hold on a second. Let's get the blue rope out of there. Okay. All right, hold it. All right. Good. All right, hold it for a second. I'm sorry, but you have to bring it down so I can get the beak around. Just a little, okay? All right. Back up, 6 inches. Okay, don't, nice and slow. Okay, we're on, keep going. You're in. Very nice. Woo! Good Lord, how are we gonna get this gin pull down? It's gonna be an obstacle course without damaging the eagle butt. Alright, let me get on it. Yeah, I'll work something out. Alright, now we got a little Loctite on everything. Hey V, from where you are at the lift, can you see if it's facing perfectly where it's supposed to? Okay, that's... Okay, I moved it just a tiny bit, few degrees. So tight, my Allen keys back. Okie dokie, now on to removal. Let's see how our rigging works. I gotta paint it. Over and after. New challenge is removing the gin pull. It's so far coming down. Not too much the ego. out of the way. Here we go. We're getting to that. As luck would have it, one of the bolts seized up on the top bracket. But I think I will just try to lower it on the other ropes. No. Yes. Amazing how crooked this flagpole is. A little scary looking down. Alright, hold a second. A little twist in the rope. Okie dokie. Hey V, if you can, send me one of those shorties that you had before for tying up the brackets. Yeah, just so I can tie the brackets in. One bracket coming down. Alright, wrapping up the work on the Eagle. Set it up with the custom gin ball. Still can't take off the last bracket. Two bolts seized up, so I have to cut them off. Vivek is downstairs getting the grinder. Sitting in the background.